Forgot your Windows password and locked out of your own PC? Don't panic. In this video, I'll show you how to reset any forgotten password on Windows 8, 10, or 11 using Hiren's Boot USB. No data loss, no paid software, just a simple step-by-step guide you can follow. First, get another computer that you can access and download this free software. Head over to any web browser that is on the computer. Type to search Hiren's Boot CD and hit Enter. Click this first link. Move down to this link and download the latest Hiren's Boot Pay ISO file. Make sure you download it from the official site to avoid malware. Next, click to search Rufus. Open the first link. Move down and download this latest version. Now we'll create a bootable USB using Rufus. Plug in a USB drive minimum 8 GB. Open Rufus. Select the ISO. Click Start. This process may take a few minutes. Done. Now move to the computer that is locked. Insert the USB into the locked PC. Click on Restart option. Press F12 to enter the boot menu. Select the USB drive and hit Enter. Your PC will now boot into the Hiren's Boot Pay environment. Once you're in, go to the Start menu. All programs. Security. Passwords. Click to open the Lay's Soft Password Recovery. Click Next. Here you will see the version of the operating system that has the password. Just click Next. Select the account that has the password and click Next. Now click Reset or Unlock option. Done. Click Finish. Now restart your PC, remove the USB, and boot into Windows. You can now log into your account without a password. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Need help with anything else? Let me know.